Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. So with my brows already done, I'm going to take this Anastasia cream contour palette and mix those two shades for my eyeshadow base today. And I'm going to blend that all out. I'm going to blend it up to my brow bone, you know, cover everything. Next, I'm taking this 3503 palette by MORPHE, and that cream shade is going to be what I use to set. Now I'm going to take this brown shade and work it into my crease. So the key here is to just make sure it's super blended out. Blend it all the way up into your brow bone and then continue to blend down into your lid. So that way you have like an airbrushed fade. I really love like the gradient shadow. Next, I'm going to take this orangey brown shade and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. So now we're going to just intensify the color as we're going down towards the lid. And then blend it up into the brows so that way it's blended again. This didn't focus, but this is the NYX cream white liner. I'm using it to cut my crease. Since the formula is really creamy, I put some on the back of my hand so that way I had more control. Now this is a pigment that I got off of Amazon. It's a neon orange and oh my god, look how beautiful that is. So since this is a loose pigment, you want to tap the product onto your base and make sure that your base is sticky. So that way it really sticks. You're going to have like a lot of fallout if you don't tap, which is why I'm doing this method. And then if I see any kind of excess on top, then I do like a swipey motion to just get it off. But you're going to get the most pigment tapping. So now I'm going to blend that all together in the crease with that brown shade. Next, this is a Profusion Cosmetics palette. This is a neon. It was $5. So that orange shade I'm going to put right in the center. And then this darker orange shade, it's like a red orange. I'm going to focus that on the outer corners and then kind of deepen the crease a little bit as well. Now I'm going to clean up any fallout with the makeup wipe and then start my foundation. So I use the Farsali Rose Gold Mist Elixir and then the Angel Veil Primer by NYX Cosmetics. So I'm going to just put that on my face. And then this is a pink BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 137. And I love this. It applies the primer and the foundation amazingly. Next, this is a color corrector by Absolute New York Makeup. I'm going to use this to counteract any darkness that I have on my face, which is underneath my eyes and around like my mouth. And then I'm going to take this Rimmel London Stay Matte foundation. Oh my gosh, look at how that looks. That brush and this foundation together is magic. Or they are magic, I should say. But yeah, so I'm going to just blend that all out and get super precise. Make sure everything is covered. Now for concealer, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Concealer. I love this shade, but the formula is so creamy as well. And then I'm going to take a Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. It's like a mini beauty blender. This blends so bomb. It doesn't absorb a whole lot of product and it's super soft, but look at the coverage that I keep. I definitely recommend this sponge. You guys can get it at Target. It's bomb. And then of course, I'm going to make sure to set my under eyes next after I blend this into my foundation. This is the HD Flawless by Absolute New York. This is in the color Golden Banana. I just love how powder just transforms your face. And then of course, set for your smile lines. Yes, honey. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Loose Setting Powder. This is in the color Deep. And I'm going to just set my foundation. This is my first time trying this powder and it's bomb, you guys. I love this powder. And then of course, make sure to bring it down your neck and everything. Blend it all together. Make sure everything is seamless. This is the Anastasia bronzer in the color Mahogany. So I'm gonna just warm up my face. I like to do down my neck as well and then also under my lower lip to make it look bigger. This is the Blush and Glow palette number 2 from Profusion Cosmetics. And I'm going to use that pink shade for blush and then the gold shade to highlight right next to it. And oh my gosh, you guys, this palette is so affordable. And look at that highlight. This is a fan brush from BH Cosmetics as well. And then I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Master Fix spray. The baby says hi. So going back into that brown shade in the Morphe palette, I'm going to warm up my under eyes. to just wrap my eyes together. And then for that same highlight on my face, I'm gonna highlight my eyes. Look at the inner corners. Gosh, that's beautiful. And then underneath my brow, can't forget that now. Ooh, and the upper lip. Next, this is a creamy white eyeliner from NK Makeup. Look at how the difference it makes. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. All right, so now for the lips, I'm gonna take a brown lip liner and just outline my lips. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit. This is the color Caramel Cake. I'm going to put it all over my lips and then let it dry. Now on top of that, I'm going to go over it with the Qveen liquid lipstick in the color Thick Skin. Now making sure it's dry, I'm going to move on to lip gloss, and this is the 24K Gold lip gloss in Rose Gold. I got it from the beauty supply store. Oh, that looks so cute. And the reason why I wait for my lipstick to be dry is so that way it doesn't move underneath. You keep the entire color. And of course, don't forget my Monroe and these lashes. These lashes are Lil Mama and iEnvy's collaboration. They're so cute. And then mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex. Yes, honey. All done. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. Love you. See you in my next video.